Ew, that's a close one to get to part 3. Sorry for that, guys. My sister did it. Guys, I have to wait for part 4 because part 4 video is coming soon. But first, we have here. Tau, we have 25. 27. Guys, I think we have to record this video now so we can be quick. Let's go to part 4, guys. But first, you have to continue part 3. Oh, no, sorry, guys. I got count 1 to 15. Color. There's more here. Oh. Whoopsie, guys. I think we have a lot. The end. There's something there. What's this? More videos coming soon. Yeah! Wow!